Okay, now we'll see the next topic, which is maximizing report selection. Okay, in any report selection screen, this is a report selection screen, right? Yeah, you will see these buttons here which will allow you to maximize the report selection. Maximizing means you can select more than what is available in this screen. So these are the fields available by default in the selection screen, right? It is not limited to this only. You can, for example, if you want to see the customer account for all the Great Britain based customer account, so you need to enter the UK country code somewhere, right? Because if you want to see only the report for customers based in UK, so how are we going to do that? You see this sign here, dynamic selections. Click on that. Let me just collapse this so that you can see what are the groups available. So you have various groups of fields available. These are the field groups. You have customer master field groups, company code field group, and document field group. We'll check what is inside each of it. In a customer master field group, all the fields available in the customer master will be displayed. Okay, so you can filter by any of these fields. Remember, I told you I want to filter by country code of the customer. So what you have to do is, the fields which are highlighted in green means it's already selected here, it's available. The one that is not having the green shading is not selected yet, so I'm going to select it. Okay, just double click to select it. The spelling is wrong here, it should be country code, it's not county code. So if you double click, it will be gone. If I double click again, it will be selected here, country code. If I double click once again, it will be gone. Okay, let's filter by country code, which is Great Britain. The ISO standard country code for UK is Great Britain. This is county code, I think. Let me check country code then. Okay. Great Britain. Oh, country is already there. Oh, sorry, country is already here. The one that I selected is county code, so just remove it. Country is already here. Let me just remove it. So you see the country is not available, right? So in order to select the country here, so you select the country code now. See, all the country codes are listed. So look for Great Britain. So over here you cannot find UK. Okay, UK is not the ISO standard for country codes, it is GB. So I selected country code GB for customer master area. So what I do after this is just select. You can also filter using other fields, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to copy selected. Alright, now you can you must click this in order to select the dynamic selection. Okay, you must click this, otherwise it won't be. See this, once you do that, it says one is active, one field is active, which means you're putting the filter criteria for one field in under the dynamic selection. Then you can execute now. This customer is indeed Great Britain based customer, so therefore you can see the listing here. You can also remove this so that you can select all the customers based in Great Britain. See, both of them are based in Great Britain. So to confirm this, let's go to customer master. It's already a session open, right? Let me go there. Choose FD03 to display customer master. Okay. See this GB country code for this customer GB. Let me select the 5002. It's also GB, so therefore is being selected. Sorry, let me close this. Is being selected here. So if I change it to US, let me just change it to US. What will happen? US based customers, United States, select. See, no items selected because there's no customers based in the US. Alright, so it's a very powerful tool. So I'm going to remove this. Let me go to other groups and collapse this. Similarly, you can use enterprise structure fields, the company code. Right. This is general area of the customer master. These are all these fields are available in the general area of customer master. These fields are available in the company code area of the customer master. Remember, the customer master has got two main areas, which is general area and the other one is company code area. So these fields are available in the company code area. Terms of payment. So let me select all the customers which has got a terms of payment of 002. 0002. I'm going to copy this. One active. Let me see. I got 50001. Sun company code, which is payment code 5002. Customer code does not have a payment terms of 002. Let us confirm that. 5002. I go to payment terms, company code area. It doesn't have a terms of payment. So if I go to 5001, it has got a payment terms of 002. So that's why it's being displayed here. Okay. Now one more thing that I want to, let me just delete this. I'm not going to use this. Okay. Right. How do I, okay, let me just go here, select that and delete. Should be able to delete. Just clear it. Once you press this delete button, you're supposed to delete the field values entered in terms of payment. Okay, see, it's gone. So now if we click again, it will be collapsed. So I want to explain about this multiple selections. What does this mean? Here you know that you can select a range for the customer master like this. So it will display a range of customer master. We have this, right? Okay. You will select 5001, 5002. This is a range. What is these fields for? These buttons for? I click here. you can actually enter single values, which means that if you have if you don't want to specify a range, if I do like this, then you will select all the customers in this range 1 to 10, but I want to select only 50008 and 5002, for example. How am I going to do that? You have to enter single values, something like this, 5002 and 5008. So if you enter like this, you will select and click OK. You will select only the customers which is 50002 and 5008, and anything in between 502 and 508 will not be selected, because this is not a range. We are entering only single values, individual values. It's not a range. Alright, so it's different from this. Here the system will interpret this as a range, here it will not. Then intervals, this is same thing like this. This is range, okay, but if you want to enter more intervals like 50005, and then here if you want to enter up to 8, no, I want to put 7 to 10. This means that I have two intervals which I cannot do here. I can enter only one interval here, but if I use this tab here, I can enter two intervals. So it will select all the customers within this range 1 to 5 and also 7 to 10. Will it select 6? No. 5006 does not fall in either of this interval. That's excluded. Okay, 50006. Now this one is excluding the single values. If I put 50001, that means it will not be selected, because that's why it says exclude single values. This is including, this is excluding. You may put the range here. Okay, let's say you want to select, I'm going to delete this, delete, come here, I'm going to put this range, but I don't want to select 5003. So what you do, you just put here 3. So you will select all the records, all the customers within this range, but it will exclude this. You can also exclude more than one. You can exclude more than one like this, right? This is same thing, but this is by interval base, but it will exclude anything that is false in this range will be excluded. It will not be shown in the report. So it's very powerful tool. You can also specify interval outside range using this. Here, let me go here. Greater than, equal to single values. You can specify something like this. Anything greater than 50001. Just specify that and then choose greater than equal to. You see the sign here? So anything more than this customer range will be selected. So you have range of options. Less than, not equal to, you will select something like excluding. This is something like you put this in the exclude single values. You will not select this record, but you will select all the other customers. Okay, this is multiple selections. It's a normal screen. Okay, now you look at this. Import from text file. Okay, let me create a text file. I'm going to put 5001, 5002, 5003. I'm going to save this as save customers. Now what I'm going to do, if I have a text file there in my hard disk, I can import the values from there. I'm going to choose the customers. See, it's imported from the customers text file. That's a function of this. Or if you have this in the clipboard, let me copy that in the clipboard. I'm going to copy these two from the, I'm going to press edit, copy. So it's in the clipboard, right? Let me delete this, delete this, delete this. Then I choose upload from clipboard. Oh, in the clipboard there are more than this. 50001, 5002, right? I think it's in the clipboard is there are more values than this. Let me just delete this. If I paste, so let me see how many values I have. Okay, now the clipboard there is only 2. Then upload from clipboard. See, I can see only 50001 and 5004 because these are 2 customers in the clipboard. Okay, I think that's about it. There's one more thing you can do. We can also, let me just delete this. I don't even have to use this. I just come here, I just copy, Control C, and then I can come and paste it here. Control V for paste. See, I don't even have to use this. As if we paste it in that way, it's similar to uploading from clipboard. If you want to copy this range from here, you cannot select, right? So what you do, you press Control Y. One more time, you have to press Control key and Y. Control key and Y. See, the cursor has turned to a cross mark. Using that, you can highlight like this. Then you can copy. Right click on the selected block and copy. Now I come here, I can even paste it. See, it's copied from there, right? When you have some selections inside, this will turn into green. See the green sign here below the arrow mark? It means there are some selections inside. Here there are no selections, that's why there's no green mark. It's only one selection here, this centered here. So if you want to delete all the selections, just press this delete button, everything will be deleted. So the green mark will be gone. Alright.